Hello everyone! Today I will guide you to the Nikko Chuzenji area and the Kai Nikko Hotel sitting on the shore of this beautiful lake. Nikko is a historical mountain resort located north of Tokyo. You can get there in 3 hours by the JR or Tobu lines from central Tokyo. Basically, Nikko is divided into 3 destinations in 3 different levels above sea level. The Nikko Toshogu area is far below Mount Nantai, near the JR and Tobu stations. I call this the first level. The Chuzenji Lake area is at the south bottom side of Mount Nantai. This is the second level. It takes about 30 minutes by bus from Nikko's 2 train stations. Nikko Yumoto is the innermost area of Nikko with beautiful nature and nice hot spring baths. This is the third level. Today's destination is the second level, the Chuzenji Lake area. Chuzenji Lake is a really beautiful lake during any part of the day and throughout the year. It became a dammed-up lake due to the eruptions of Mount Nantai around 20,000 years ago. Kai Nikko, located on the east shore of Chuzenji Lake, is one of the Hoshino Resort hotels. It has a nice view of Chuzenji Lake, relaxing hot spring baths, and comfortable service for guests. Soon, there will be another nice hotel, the Ritz-Carlton, near here. This is our room. It is a tatami room with 2 beds, Japanese-style shoji paper sliding screen doors, and a nice view of Chuzenji Lake.
Okay, there's a welcome drink. We've just arrived at the Hoshino Resort Kai Nikko, and it's a beautiful place, a bit luxurious, right on the lake with a beautiful view. It's winter, so there's some snow, and that's really beautiful as well. Cheers! Sweet. Amazake.
This is the lounge area where free coffee and tea is available 24 hours a day. Okay, let's walk around a little bit.
1,277 meters above sea level. What is that in feet? I have no idea.
Kegon Falls is within a short walk of the hotel. It takes about 10 minutes. Kegon Falls, Kegon no Taki, are spectacular falls that flow and drop from Chuzenji Lake to the Daya River. Here is the ticket office. Buy your tickets here. Let's take the 1-minute elevator ride down to the observation deck 100 meters below the falls. The elevator runs straight down through the bedrock of the mountain. After getting off the elevator and walking down a long, wide tunnel-like corridor, you reach the multi-leveled deck. There stands the falls right in front of you, thundering away with foam and spray. The falls have never dried up and continue to show us their mystic beauty throughout the year. The falls, surrounded by rich green forests in spring and summer, colorful leaves in autumn, and frozen white snow some winters, are stunning during all 4 seasons. In Kegon Falls, the water plummets 97 meters into the gorge below. The width of the falls is 7 meters across. there are numerous other falls flowing out from rocks behind Kegon Falls.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands, please.
Two cats were sitting on the fence. They looked freezing cold. Poor kitties! The lake had gentle tides that evening, and it is getting dark. It's time for dinner. The dinner was served in the hotel restaurant. The ceiling is decorated with beautiful pictures. The tables were divided by screens and gives us a half-private feeling like this. Nicely arranged small things. Sashimi. Soy milk hot pot.
And those veggies, mushrooms, beef, and yuba.
You can see it cooks. It's very thin, so it cooks very quickly. Very good.
Done good?
Darn good.
Done good.
And nice dessert were served always at just the right moment.
Well, we're eating dessert. It's mousse and strawberry. It's absolutely delicious, but we're so full. Whew, that was a big, delicious meal. But I do have a little room left for dessert.
After dinner, we went to a unique show called Nikko Geta Dangi. Geta is a Japanese traditional sandal. These two women are wearing Nikko Geta and they are going to dance. Before the dance performance, she is explaining about the history of Geta. In the Edo era, 400 years ago, samurai clans all over Japan participated in special worship tours to Nikko Toshogu upon the death of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the first shogun of Edo. The way from their hometown to Nikko was really far, and footwear in those days was not tough enough. Then, the third shogun Iemitsu, who visited Ieyasu's grave 19 times in his lifetime, invented strong but comfortable footwear called Nikko Geta. He combined two different types sandals into one. They dance in a way kind of similar to tap dancing. The next morning, the weather was nice. Icicles under the roof reflected the morning light. We had a short walk before breakfast. A nice crisp morning. The breakfast was a hot pot along with grilled fish, rice, and miso soup. Very Japanese. After this, we had a nice hot cup of coffee in the lounge. Here, I'd like to show you these wooden decorations called Kanuma Kumiko. Kanuma is a city near Nikko, and Kumiko are handcrafted wooden decorations, especially used for sliding doors and room partitions. There are hundreds of traditional patterns. Kai Nikko Hotel uses Kanuma Kumiko here and there around the hotel. Now we are on a bus heading for the Senjou Gahara Mall. The nearest bus stop from the hotel is Chuzenji Onsen, and we got off at Akanuma. There were only a few people on the bus with us. Most people got off at the same place, but then took off in different directions going their own way. It is calm and tranquil here. Really mysterious and stunning. I feel like I'm becoming one with the crisp, icy air.
So behind me is Nankai-san, the famous
Nantai-san, please.
Nantai-san.
Nantai-san.
Nantai-san. Oh. Behind me is Nantai-san, the famous mountain in Nikko. And over here, this large field is, what is it called?
Senjou Gahara.
This field is called Senjou Gahara. It's a beautiful, beautiful place for walking. And this is the winter. It's full of snow, white birches. It's gorgeous.
Here is an observation deck. From this wooden deck, you can command a clear view of the wide open snowfields. On the handrail, someone left a little snowman. Cute! We took a return bus and got off at Shobugahama bus stop. It is a lakeside beach area, Shobugahama. Sunshine was reflecting on the water. Beautiful. I just sat on the sand and let my body soak in this place. We felt totally refreshed and completely revitalized. If you are ever invited to Nikko, don't miss the chance. It is one of the most beautiful places in Japan. Thank you for watching.